Today we're going to talk about sharpening your trading edge. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Kind of a not quite a gloomy day, but a little overcast in Perth. Sun's kind of coming out, but today we're talking about sharpening your trading edge. So one of the things that I talk about in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders is accelerating your learning. And one of the drills, little drills that you can do on a daily or a weekly basis that will help accelerate your trading skills and sharpen your trading edge. One of the exercises that I like to do is I'll go back and I'll print off 10 daily charts from different currency pairs. And what I'll often look at is, inherently I talk a lot about opening range of the week and the month, and I look for the large range trading days where there's been probably 25 pips roughly from open to the high or open to the low before it's gone on a big run over the course of the rest of the day. And I, if you go down and look at a 5-minute chart or an hourly chart, it doesn't necessarily always trend the entire day, but it opens at one end and closes at the other. And so what I'll do with those charts is I'll go back and I'll look at the different charts, and I'll look at the timing in terms of its Monday to Friday cycle, the overall trend, but also I'll go and look at those charts on the hourly basis. And this is inherently where I got my two sort of main trading systems from. My hourly system, which I've talked about going entirely to end of day, but I still run my scans and look for high probability trading days. And those are days that usually break out in the 3rd or 4th or 5th hour of the day and don't tend to look back. So again, you can predefine your risk and you have an asymmetrical risk reward opportunity. And I use that same approach on my end of day charts as well. Those couple simple patterns. But when you go through and if you print out your charts or whatever time frame you're trading on, what I'm inherently trying to do is just again narrow things down and simplify it so that I can take fewer trades and be more focused on the high probability or high possibility trading days. Now, just because I may get those days coming up on a scan or they fit my criteria, they may not always necessarily be trades that what I'll consider ideal. After, that's my first stage in developing a hypothesis about how I can maybe better trade the markets. And so I encourage you to look at doing some kind of similar activity where you can accelerate your learning, maybe simplify your approach, narrow your trading down. I've talked about most of my trading mistakes have come from trying to trade every single day, trying to day trade, jumping time frames, and then losing sight of the bigger picture and trying to trade too many currencies. So the other side of the coin is maybe focusing on maybe just 3 or 4 specific currencies and getting into a real rhythm with the markets and starting to maybe look at where you can identify the 1 or 2 days, 3-4 days a month that are maybe going to be high possibility trading days. Those are days that potentially you can maybe, like for me, my approach is that I'll look for those opportunities to maybe where I can take a larger trade and still manage my risk accordingly, and have a high possibility of that day being a strong moving day so that I don't feel a lot of heat in my trading. That's just my approach. So whatever works for you, but try to take some time each week and figure out how you can sharpen your trading edge. And I like printing off the sheets, as I said, and going bar by bar. And then for me, the 2 reasons I like end of day is that you can time the market specifically at certain times of the day based on market opens, but also end of day, because Monday to Friday the market trades, it's closed on the weekends, and again Monday to Friday it trades again. So although it may look like there's an overall trend, which it is, there's still ways maybe Monday to Friday that we can look for high opportunity setups based on the opening ranges of this week or the previous week. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Create little rituals and habits that are going to help keep getting you better, build confidence, discipline, and a winning mindset to master the markets. Trading mastery is a lifelong journey. It's going to keep teaching us new lessons. Every week I learn something new. So stay disciplined, stay focused on constant progress, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.